Hello guys, Mohammed here. Welcome to another episode of Humble Hustle. So this episode is about the framework that I've created recently by the name Real-Time Regression. So what it does is, based on your choices in real time, it learns and maintains its inference, which it will apply to give you recommendation based on your recent choices. So without any delay, let's get started. Guys, so this is the framework SPM essentially that I've created. So in this video I'll show you how to integrate it with the Xcode project. So we will go here and copy this URL. We will open the Xcode project, in which we will, first of all, I'll delete the already imported package and now I'll add it again. So I'll right click on here and then I'll tap on add packages, and then I'll choose the real-time regression and add it to the project. So once it's added, then it's really simple to use it. We can import real-time regression, and then we will specify the number of recommendations that we want, and then we will feed in the model that is essentially composed of our custom model. That is, I have created this custom model in which I have created the attribute of image, title, description, date. I will essentially be displaying planets data. So I have this JSON file in which I have planet data that are discovered by NASA. So I'll feed it in over here, and then I'm using favorite wrapper that is also created in the real-time regression. So I have attributes like title, has opened, has closed, and the histogram of the image, total time spent on viewing the detail, and favorite attribute. So I am parsing the data from JSON file over here, as you can see, and then feeding it into the favorite wrapper. This is my model essentially. This is the title. This is image histogram. So image histogram is computed based on the extension that is available through real-time regression framework. So what I will do is that in the content view, where I am presenting the list, I'll display the recommendations given by the recommendation engine in this carousel view over here. And then on tap of the card, I'll be taken to the detail view. So there is an attribute that you have to set when the user taps on the card. You have to set did view attribute, and inside did view attribute, basically the planet model is being passed, and the favorite property wrapper is being set, and the has opened attribute is set to true. So this will essentially carry out the calculation for time spent, and once the user goes to the detail view, which is this one essentially, I am setting the did view last. Inside did view last, what I'm doing is that I am setting has closed attribute. So this will complete the time spent calculation and generate time spent attribute for us, which will be fed into the real-time regression engine. And as of now, I am favoriting the element which user has viewed. So these two things will be set over here, and based on these, recommendation will be generated in real time. So let's run the app. As you can see, I'm browsing through different planets. So I will go inside any of them to view the detail, and then the recommendations, which is this carousel view, will be getting updated in real time. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys have understood the integration of the framework. If you have any questions, please ask me down below in the comments, and please subscribe to my channel. That will motivate me to create more such content. And that's all for today. Have a nice day.